Hi, I'm Mukta Nagaraj. Welcome to SBL Kitchen. Today's recipe is the stuffed ridge gourd curry. Let's begin the recipe. After peeling the skin, I want to make it into 1.5 inch pieces. Since I'm stuffing in, I need to slit half from one side and turn it around and chop it on the other side. One side will be like this, the other side will be like this. Putting all the ingredients into the mixie, grated coconut, approximately 4 to 5 tablespoons of grated coconut, salt to taste, green chilies, few garlic and some coriander. Make this into a coarse paste without adding water. I am going to stuff this in. We have the vegetable ready. In a pan, pour in some oil, mustard. When it starts crackling, I'm going to add in few curry leaves. Now it's the time to add the stuffed ridge gourd. Cook this on medium to low. Keep stirring. Now this is done. Turn it off. And this is ready to serve. Please do like, share and subscribe. If you have not done still, do it right.